Good morning, friends. Nandito tayo ngayon sa guest room natin kasi I'm gonna start packing for our trip to Chicago. Dahil dyan, bumili ako sa Amazon nung, alam mo yung mga parang bag na parang iva-vacuum seal mo siya para space saver siya. So yun. Kasi since we're going to Chicago in the winter, puro sweater yung dala namin. And ayoko na maraming daling luggage. So I'm gonna try to like squeeze everything in one suitcase. So yep, let's open this baby. So this one comes with a parang anong tawag dito, parang air pump. Tapos ayan siya. There's like 3 large, 8 small, 3 jumbo, and 8 medium. Let's see if this works. So, medyo nakat na natin yung video. Fast forward na, nag-empake na kami, and ito yung itsura niya. I have this here. Hindi siya kasya dito sa luggage na malaki. So, yan siya. So, those clothes are for 3 people. And, well, hopefully 10 days. 10 days siya. Pero malamang I have to wash yung clothes midway. Yeah, I think kailangan kong maglaba siguro on the 5th or 6th day kasi hindi naman kami nagdala talaga ng clothes na good for 10 days. But yeah, that's it. We only paid for 1 luggage, which was $70 pala sa United. And so now, hindi ko alam, baka kailangan pa namin ulit magbili pa ng magbayad pa ng 1 luggage fee kasi sikip dito sa malaki. I don't know. Hintayin ko na lang yung asawa ko and he'll solve this problem for me. Yun lang. But anyway, that vacuum bag, sobrang sulit siya kasi ang dami niyan, punong-puno tong bed na yan. Yung 2 beds na yan, puno ng clothes yan. Tapos napagkasya ko sa how many bags? Like siguro 6, 1, 2, 3, I think 6 or 8. 8 na bags. And yeah, highly recommended. Yun lang guys. Bye!